Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM. This custom ROM is based on MIUI 11, MIUI Global 11.0.4.0 stable version for Redmi 5 Rosy. This ROM is only for Redmi 5 Rosy. As you can see, Android. Here you will get Android Pie, not Android 8.1. Here will you get Android Pie working smoothly, no problem. There are few bugs in this ROM, I will tell you. Let's check the specification. Android 9 security patch 2019 10. Name of this ROM is MIUI 11 on Lite ROM. I have already made the video. I will only do the PUBG test and do the benchmark test, and I will tell the difference between MIUI 11 global ROM and MIUI on Lite ROM. Let's check the features. The first bug in this ROM is that you cannot log in MI account. You cannot log in. Here you can see could not check device security info, cannot device. It does not work. We cannot log in this account, but Google account is 100% working. No need to flash any app, no need to flash any open gaps. Geo is 100% working, no problem. Volt is working. Wi-Fi is 100% working, no bug. Bluetooth is 100% working. Portable hotspot is not working. There is an error when you enable. Here you can see. Now let's go to lock screen. Lock screen, double tap to screen wake is working. All features are working. Here you can see 100% working. Here you can see the click clock format, these are same. Launch camera is 100% working. There is inbuilt camera in this ROM, no need to flash Google camera. Now let's go to lock screen. Brightness level is working. Automatic brightness is working, but in their case it's not fully working. Automatic brightness is not fully working. Now color scheme is working. Dark mode, here you can see the dark mode you can turn off. Let's see, the reading mode is not working. Color scheme is working. Here you can change the color, like easily working. Warm, cool, default. Here you can see dark mode okay working, no problem. Status bar, here is the status bar, you can see. Notification icon, connection speed is working, and let me show you connection speed. Here is the connection speed, not here like in MIUI 11. The status bar is almost changed. Here you can see percentage in the icon. Next to the icon you can select according to your condition. Full screen mode is working. Full screen display, here are the gestures is working, no problem. Here you can see gestures is working, fully working, no problem. Sound and vibration is 100% working. No, there is sound is normal, not low, not high, normal like MIUI global ROM. Vibration is 100% working. Tap sound is working. Double tap to lock screen is 100% working, no problem. Lock home screen layout, show memory status, everything is working fine. Here you can see double tap is working. Here are the wallpapers, video wallpapers. These are live wallpapers. You can easily apply. Let me show you. Let's apply second one. Here you can see video wallpaper is 100% working. If you unlock video wallpaper is working. Here you can see there are 17 wallpapers, offline wallpapers. Here you can see, and 6 live wallpapers. You can apply the themes from third party, as my account is not working, so you cannot download the themes. Let's go to password and security. Fingerprint, here we get the fingerprint. Let's check the fingerprint. How much fast is the fingerprint? Touch is okay working, no problem. Fingerprint is 100% working. Here you can see. Let's check the speed. Tap, open, only a bit slow, not very slow, bit. Here you can see. Here you can get the face unlock. Face unlock is 100% working. Let's check the face unlock. Add 2D face unlock. Next, loading camera. Here you can see place your face inside. Here is 100% working face unlock. Let me add the face. I have successfully added the face. Now let's check the face unlock. Here you can stay on lock screen, show notification detail after verifying face data, allow face unlock when screen light ups. Let's check the face unlock. Here you can see tick 100% working. You can skip the lock screen also, directly open your lock screen. Here you can see face unlock is 100% working, no lag, no bug. Bluetooth with audio device is 100% working. Our headphone is 100% working. I have already checked the headphone. In this ROM, battery performance is the same as MIUI 11 global ROM. I have tested this ROM for 1 day. For the detailed information about this ROM, you can check the video description. You can check the another video. I have already made this video. Special features: beyond the remote quick reply, second space and 100% working, no lag. There is no lag in day-to-day use. Here you get the YouTube launched. Magis is already installed. This ROM is pre-rooted. Let's check the camera. Camera is same as MIUI AI camera. Here you get the AI camera. HDR flash. Let's check the flash. Torch flash is 100% working. Here you see photo is clicking, no problem. Let's check the front flash. Here you see volt icon is not coming, but volt is working, no problem in volt. Only there is a volt icon bug, hotspot bug. Notification light is 100% working, no problem. Now let's check the AnTuTu benchmark test how much performance score. Here you can see 69,684. The performance is very low, score is very low. Here you can see CPU performance, GPU performance, memory performance, UX is very low than MIUI 11 global version. So if you want to install this ROM for gaming, then don't install this ROM. For daily use, it's your choice if you want to install it for daily use or not. I already told you the bugs. Here you can see 1.8 degree temperature has been increased, 5% battery drain, battery drop. Let's do the PUBG test in MIUI 11 on Lite ROM. Let's check the graphics setting. Graphics, I am changing the graphics from balanced to balanced and medium. Here you can see. Let's check the performance and lag. Here you can see that there is so much lag. ये चार्जर बंद है. Here you can see that there is so much lag. This is the first time I am starting the game. Phone is lagging, ROM is laggy very in gaming. You can use this ROM for features only, मतलब you can use this ROM for daily use but not for gaming. If you are a gamer, then do not install this ROM. This is very laggy and the GPU performance is not best in this ROM. Here you can see when the enemies come, phone lags, ROM lags, phone lags. Performance is very poor. I don't like it. Not better than MIUI 11 global version. Overall performance of this ROM in gaming is very poor. It is not as stable in gaming. There is so much lag. For installation of this ROM, you can prefer the next video. I have already made the installation of this ROM, so you can check the video. Link is in the description. Installation is very easy.